If you're also having a problem that one of your friend is sending a message to you on your GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or U WhatsApp, whatever mode version you are using, but you are not able to receive that message timely. Sometimes the message is delivered after 1 hour, after 2 hours. And if you're also having an issue that when you try to send a message to any of your friend, the message is not sent instantly, that is sent after sometimes 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour. If any kind of issues are happening just like this to you, this video is for you. Today in this video, I'm going to give you the complete solution. If you follow the steps that I am going to tell you in this video, your problem will be sorted out, that I assure you. Before starting the video, I have a very simple request to you. Please watch complete video if you really want to get rid of this problem. Because what happens sometimes when I start telling the steps, people listen 1 and 2 steps and they try, the messages started sending and receiving, and after that they quit the video. So what happens, that messages will be sent or received only for a couple of hours. After some time you will also have the same problem. So please watch complete video just to sort out all the issues you are having. Before starting the video, I have one request. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because in this video, in this channel, we regularly upload such kind of genuine content. So let us start the video and let us see how to sort out the problem that is happening with us in GB, FM, RU, WhatsApp. If you want to sort out these problems that are very common and happening with all the buddies who are using GB, FM, RU, you may say that any mode versions, then few things are there that you can follow and you can easily sort out this problem. First step, what you have to do, you have to clear the cache of your application. Clear the cache, what you have to do, come out of your application, long press on your application and thereafter click on I button. Sometimes if you are using maybe below Android 10, then you need to visit to the settings of your phone and you need to go to app manager, click on app manager and you need to reach the app settings. So here what I did exactly, I did the same. When I long press on any application or maybe say my application and then I click on I button and I open the app settings, I have to scroll down, I have to go to the storage option. Click on that storage option and thereafter you will find 2 options are there. First one is clear cache, second one is clear data. You don't need to do anything in clear data. What you have to do, you have to click on clear cache and you have to clear the cache of your application. Click it and the cache will be cleared. Come out of this application and just open the application. That was the first step that you did. Now it's time to go for the second step. Second step, what you have to do, open your application and thereafter 3 dots on the top are given on the top right corner exactly. Click on that and thereafter you have to click on GB settings. Click on GB settings. Once when you click on GB settings, you will have multiple options like privacy and security and also like universal settings, home screen and many more. Click on privacy and security and thereafter when you click on privacy and security, scroll down and try to check it out that you have enabled blue ticks after reply. If you have enabled, just disable it temporarily. After some time you can enable it, but just now disable it. After that, scroll down and on the bottom you will have 3 options. First one is contacts, groups and broadcast. These 3 options are there. First click on contacts and thereafter check if there is any tick, like is it single, hide single tick, hide double tick. So if there is any tick there, untick all these options. Similarly, you have to follow the same thing. Come out of that and then click on groups. Same, untick all the options shown there. Thereafter come out of from there and click on broadcast and untick all them. So this was the second step. Now you come out of that option and try to check if your application, maybe sometimes in some versions of GB WhatsApp custom privacy is there. So if you also have a custom privacy in your application, then in the privacy and security you will also have the custom privacy option. Please click on that and also delete if you have added anyone in custom privacy and thereafter come out of application and restart your application. If you restart your application, your problem will be sorted. I assure you, you would not have such kind of problem. Still, if you are having a problem, then what you have to do? Third step, and then come out of this application and just restart your app. Third thing that you have to follow, like is 99% what happens that people follow this step, the messages start sending and receiving and then problem will not happen to you again. If the same happens again, do the same thing that I did today. Now, if your problem hasn't sorted out so far, then what will you have to do? The third step. In third step, what you have to do? Click on 3 dots on the top. Thereafter click on GB settings and scroll down. On the bottom you can see that about option. Sometimes about option is not there directly, the version of your application is written over there. If version is there 13.50, make sure if your GB WhatsApp version is 13.50 created by Alex Mode, then you have to follow some more steps. First one is that once, because you are already in GB settings, now you need to click on universal settings. Thereafter you will see that option is there like backup and restore. Click on backup and restore, and thereafter once when you click on backup and restore, you will see that options are there just to take a backup of your application. Click on backup, then what would happen? The backup of your all data which is available on GB WhatsApp will be taken in your phone memory, and thereafter come out of that application. Actually, why am I telling to you? Next step you have to follow. You have to visit the description portion where you will find the link of our, you may say, the Telegram group. Join it. You have to download the latest GB WhatsApp version of SAM Modes. You can type also SAM Modes created GB WhatsApp. What you can do exactly, click on the top and thereafter click on the file portion, and you will have all the applications listed over there. So you need to find out the latest version. Right now when I'm making this video, the latest version of GB WhatsApp SAM Modes created is 11.85. So what you have to do, download that application. Once when you download it, you will not be able to install because you have already an application with the same name. So now because you have already taken a backup of your application, go back to your application where it is installed, long press and uninstall it. Don't worry, your chats will not be gone because you have already taken a backup of your chats. Second step, now install the new application that I told you. New step application install, and installation, after installation you would have two options are there. First one is restore, second option is agree and continue. Click on restore option. Once when you click on restore option, it may ask you to provide storage permission. Provide it, allow, and now what would happen, it would automatically detect if the backup is already there in your phone memory. It will detect the backup, and thereafter all the backup will be restored here. So once backup will be restored here, you will have all the messages, even you don't need to log in. Otherwise, if you don't see that backup is being taken over from there, second step you can follow. Click on agree and continue, type your mobile number and verify with the OTP, whatever registration process you follow, and now open your application because now you don't have any messages over there. So click on three dots, click on GB settings, and thereafter click on you may say that universal settings, click on backup and restore. And once when you click on backup and restore, don't click on backup option. On scroll down you can see that the restore option is there. Click on restore option, then what would happen, it will restore all the data. So this thing you have to follow. If you follow this thing, your messages will start sending and receiving. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is all about today. Very soon we'll see again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.